This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Bear Acts for Judiciary. Begin by thoroughly reading each section to grasp its core meaning and legislative intent. Focus on understanding the why behind each provision, not just the what. Use a systematic approach, perhaps dedicating 30 to 45 minutes per section, ensuring deep comprehension before moving on. This foundational understanding is crucial for effective recall and application in exams. Active reading is paramount. Don't just passively read, engage with the text. Write concise summaries in the margins, linking sections to related provisions or landmark judgments. Visual aids like flowcharts can simplify intricate legal processes, making them easier to remember. Try explaining a section to an imaginary person. This technique reveals gaps in your understanding and solidifies your knowledge. Aim for at least 2 active reading techniques per study session. Consistent revision is the backbone of retention. Schedule dedicated time, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, to revisit older topics. Apply your knowledge by solving a minimum of 5 to 10 practice questions daily, referring to the Bear Acts as needed. Engaging in group discussions can clarify doubts and expose you to different interpretations, strengthening your overall grasp. This active recall and application will significantly improve your performance. Remember, consistency is key. Establish a realistic study schedule and stick to it, perhaps 2 to 3 hours focused on Bear Acts each day. Focus on deep understanding rather than just memorizing, as this approach yields better results in the long run. Take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and maintain focus. And speaking of focus, staying hydrated is super important for your brain power. Check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.